Okay, this is going to be the Algebra 2 video for solve by graphing for quadratics. So this is where we're going to use our calculator to basically help us find the solutions. Now, what we have to do first is you have to get it in the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 form. So what you should do is just move these back here. We've done this a bunch this year. If it moves from this side to this side, it would become positive 6x, and then that would become negative 80 equals 0, okay? So then what I want to do is I want to take out my calculator, all right, and I want to go into graph, all right, and I'm going to type this in, all right, plus 6x minus 80, all right? Hit execute. I want to draw it. Now let's play around with the window. What you have to do is hit F3 twice, exit and draw. And you sort of see the shape, but not really. So what I want to do, we did this when we did regression. Zoom auto, okay? Now I can zoom out one time. And now I can clearly see my quadratic shape, okay? All right? So I'm going to do that again. So if you're drawing this, okay, F3 twice always resets your window. Then hit exit and draw, okay? If you hit zoom, auto, okay, all right, it will get to that point. Then zoom out, which is F4, execute. And now you can totally see it. Now, what I want to do is go to G-solve, which is F5. Now, what are solutions? We've talked about this before. The solutions are the roots. So one of the solutions is x equals negative 8. And all I got to do to press over there, I get x equals 5. Okay? And those are the two solutions. Okay? So for this one, what I want to do is bring back that 22. So I got 3x squared minus 3x minus 22 equals 0. Okay? All right, so then I go into here, 3x squared minus 3x minus 22, execute. Okay, draw. And I'm already zoomed out pretty good, so I'm in good shape there. G-solve root. One of the roots is negative 2.253, which is okay. And then I just hit over here to get the other root, which is x equals 3.253. Okay? And those are the solutions by solving. Okay? All right? So you go ahead. This is calculator practice. Okay? Go ahead and find the solutions by graphing. Okay, now it says graph the following equation. Identify the vertex, solutions, and y-intercept. Okay? All right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into here. I'm going to type in x squared minus 4x. Okay? And let's say you were at this window here. All right? All right? F3. All right? That's a good window for me. All right? I'm going to hit G-solve. Now, the vertex, when the graph looks like that, okay, that is considered a minimum. When that goes like that, the graph is considered a maximum. So in this case, I select minimum, and it tells me 2, negative 4. Okay, so I can plot that point. 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4 down. There's my vertex. Okay, I hit G-solve again. My solutions are the roots. That's what we just worked on. One of them would be at 0. Okay, if I hit over here, the other one's at 4. So 0 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my y-intercept, once again, G-solve y-intercept, which is F4, it's also going to tell me 0. Okay? And so then all I got to do is connect the dots that I have. And there is my quadratic. Okay? Let's do another one. So this one, before I calculate, I got to move that over. So it's negative x minus negative 8x minus 13 equals 0. Okay, let's see if this window is good enough or if I have to zoom out a little bit. Take a look. Okay, you know what? I can't really see that y-intercept. So what I'm going to do is hit F2 zoom, auto, which is F5. Then zoom out, execute. Okay, all right. And now I can see it. So G-solve, let's find my vertex. Now that would be a maximum. That's negative 4, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then I want to do G-solve root. One of the roots is negative 5.732. Then if I hit over, the other one is negative 2.26. 2 2, 6, 7. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about right here, this is all an estimate. 1, 2, right about here. All right, G-solve y-intercept, y equals negative 13. Now, I don't know if that's on the chart. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I can at least put that here. So what this looks like, this goes down, connects, goes down like that. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and try this one. All right, we did this one by solve by square roots. Now we're going to do it by graphing. So I want parentheses around that fraction. I want parentheses around x minus 4. I get squared and then minus 2. Okay, and I draw it. Okay, I'm going to hit F3. I'm going to reset this window, exit and draw. And so now it's in good shape. I can see all those things. All right, so G-solve, that would be a minimum. So that's 4, negative 2. And I should have known that from the graphing. 2, okay. All right, G-solve root, I get x equals 2. If I hit over here, I get x equals 6. So I graph those points, 2, 3. Okay, and then G-solve y-intercept, y equals 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then all I gotta do is connect my dots, okay? And that's solved by graphing, all right? You can pause your video and go ahead and try these questions. And that's how you can use your calculator to find various characteristics of the quadratic.